Greetings my people, and welcome to the Nick Finance Naija channel. In this video, I will show you how to invest in Nigerian stocks profitably. You understand? Because there are people that say people don't make money on stocks, stock market they lose money, blah blah blah. It's not true. I will show you proof. We go enter computer, I will show you evidence how you, student to worker or unemployed, you can make money. All right, but first of all, introduction. I'm Nick, and on this channel what I do is that I try to break complex things and make it simple for people to use, you understand, to better their own finances. I have two other channels. One is like 7,000 subscribers, the other one is like 2,000 plus subscribers, but this one is focused squarely on Nigerians to show you how to break those things down and use it for your own benefit. All right, now before we enter the video, first of all, go and subscribe. Just subscribe. See, I guarantee you will subscribe at the end, so you might just subscribe now. Just Google subscribe now and like the video. Hit the like button now so you won't forget, because we are entering how to buy Nigerian stocks and you'll get carried away because it's too interesting. It's not boring, trust me, it's not boring. So subscribe now, like the video now. Oh yeah, then don't forget to leave a comment at the end. And in this video I'm announcing a winner, but I'll not tell you when. It's somewhere in the video, so those of you that not watch to the end, those of you who go just watch video jump, you go miss them. I will just plug it somewhere in the video, so make sure you watch the video till the very end. Without further ado guys, let's get into the computer. All right, here's the channel, Nick Finance Naija. Once again, go and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We started in December and now we are almost at 2,000 subscribers. 2,000 people know it, and then they do, you understand? All right, so let's get into it. Now, the first mistake people make when they try to buy stocks in Nigeria is this: they don't even know what a stock is. Let me explain. So when you hear a stock is simply an ownership in a company, you understand? Say you hear of maybe Zenith Bank. Zenith Bank stock means say you own a part of Zenith Bank. Okay, so I'll just leave it simple as that. Now, what are the types of stocks? Broadly speaking, there's growth stock, there's value stock. Growth stock, value stock. Why is it important to know the difference? Because people enter stock trading, they don't know what they are doing, they don't even know what they are buying. They will just say, should I buy FCMB or should I buy GT? They don't even know the difference between growth and value. Let me tell you the difference. A growth stock is that stock that you anticipate will grow. As the name implies, growth stocks. You anticipate that in the future it will grow its revenue, grow its profits, grow very fast. Then a value stock, on the other hand, is that stock that you believe is trading low compared to the value. So value stock. But like say iPhone is trading for $2,000. All right, that's the normal price. Then you're seeing iPhone at $1,000. It means iPhone has become a value stock because it's trading less than the value. You understand? Let's not complicate things. So with that said, I just say I introduce down. Now let's get into the meat of it. Some people just invest in stocks anyhow. They don't even know where to get information on these stocks. So that's the first thing I want to show you people. If you want to buy a stock, for example, you want to buy Zenith Bank stock, like I did in 2020. Let me show you people something. In 2020, when the whole market was down, 23rd of March 2020, I bought Zenith Bank 11 naira. 23rd of March 2020 again, I bought another batch 10 naira 95 kobo. That was what? 2020. Let's fast forward to 2020 October. I sold for 21. Remember, I bought at 11, 10 and some other prices. See the price I sold, 21, 21.85, even 24. So my money doubled in Zenith Bank because I know where to get information from, and I want to show you that information right now. So don't just buy stocks because people are saying, this one is good, it's going up, should I buy MTN, blah blah blah. No, you buy stocks because you know what you are buying. Okay, now let's get into it. So where do you go for information? This is the Nigerian Stock Exchange website. I'll leave a link in the description if you care about it. And don't get carried away. People say people they lose money, It's not true. I make money consistently in the stock market because I have principles that I will show you guys right now. Principle number one: understand what type of investor you are. Are you a trader or an investor? Me, I'm an investor. I'm not a trader. I sold because I needed the money for something. If I don't need the money for anything, there's no need to sell stocks that I believe will do well over the long term. So understand first, are you a trader? If you be a trader, you be like say you just want jump in, jump out, then that is not the style for you on this channel. When we get to crypto, you see where I'm a trader. When we get to some commodities, you see where I'm a trader. But when it comes to stocks, I'm an investor. And because I'm an investor, I believe in fundamental analysis, meaning I look at the company I'm buying. All right, now because I'm looking at the company, I need to know the source where the information is. Number one source is the Nigerian Stock Exchange. And how can you get this data? You go to the Nigerian Stock Exchange, www.ngxgroup.com. You come to this place, data. You come to this place, corporate action. When you click corporate action, if I let me go back there, when you click corporate action, it will show you all the dividends that they have declared so far. You see a long list of dividends. In fact, is here you come and check, hey, is my stock declaring dividends? See, Zenith Bank, GT, AfriPrud, Nigerian Breweries, blah blah blah. Then when you click any of these ones, it will now take you to the particular stocks profile where you can get the results. So this is one source where you get information, the Nigerian Stock Exchange website. That is number one. Number two source that I love so much is investing.com. You can just come here, type in whatever stock you want to buy. Don't worry, I will show you how to analyze stocks. Don't rush, just calm down, calm down. You come here, type in whatever stock you want to buy. See the Zenith I just searched for. If you want to search for any other one, you search it here and you will get the stock out. Okay, now these are my two principal sources. Nigerian Stock Exchange, you see Nigerian Stock Exchange has opened. So if you go down to financial statements, you will see where the results, see quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, all these things dating as far back as 2015 and even beyond. Understand? So you get very good information. And listen guys, there's a problem with people. They want to take shortcuts. You cannot make this kind of my profits if you are trying to take shortcuts. Easily, I made like over 100%. There's no shortcut to making money in the stock market. You have to put in the work. And if you cannot put in the work, stay on this channel. I will come on this same channel and tell you guys, these are the top 3 that I think make sense now. Go and do your research on them. So this is the reason. Subscribe to the channel. I will be dropping the names of some stocks that I'll be buying later in the year. Yes. So stick to the channel. I cover penny stocks. I cover dividend stocks. I cover growth stocks. I cover value stocks. I cover recovery stocks. In fact, to be honest, I'm a chartered stockbroker in Nigeria. So I know some of these things a little well. Right. So those are the two sources. Zenith, is here. Nigerian Stock Exchange and investing.com. Now let me show you guys something very, very important. When you look at Nigerian stocks, people say, they don't make money in Nigerian stocks. Is it really true? It's not true. Let's check the last 5 years, for example. This is the All Share Index. It's called the All Share Index because it tracks the performance of all the shares in Nigeria. So as at 5 years ago, the All Share Index was at 25,444. As at today, it has gone up to 46,000. Now, notice this, guys. This is where smart investing comes in. Some people will buy here. Some will buy here. Some will buy here. When did I buy my Zenith? I bought it here. March 2020. I buy the thing when it was low. That was why I made that money, because I now rolled it up to when it got to this place. That's the advantage of doing your research and knowing when to buy. So it's very important to know when to get into a stock. Nigerian stocks are profitable over the long term. Yes, in the short term, they might go up, go down, go up, go down, go up, go down, go up, go down. But in the long term, if you draw a line, you see it has been an upward trend. Okay, so Nigerian stocks are not doing badly, in my personal opinion. Now, that out of the way. Nick, how do you analyze stocks? How do you know which stocks to buy? Why are you talking about Zenith? How did you arrive at that? I'll get into it right now. So there are 5 things I look at before I invest in any stock. I'll not bore you because this video has to be short. I'll just tell you the 5 things. Then as you stay on this channel, see, I'm not here to give you MMM. I'm here for you to learn so that you can make money. See, I'll be happy the day you guys leave in the comment section that, Nick, I did this analysis by myself and I bought this stock and I made money. That is my joy. Nobody sabi pass any other person. I just say, will they take time, learn. All right. So there are 5 things I look out for when I invest in any stock. Number 1, I check the addressable market. Is there a market for this stock? So for example, when I was analyzing Zenith Bank, I told myself, Nick, what is the banking opportunity in Nigeria? Look at this article now. How Nigeria can bank its unbanked population. Meaning there are some unbanked population in Nigeria. Meaning you get people who no get bank account. Meaning you get people where they outside the banking system. Look at this right here. Financial exclusion of about 41.6%. Meaning 41.6% of Nigerians are not even in the banking loop. That is an opportunity for banks. That's why you notice Nigerian banks are trying to do fintech, do this, do that, just to gain customers, deposit mobilization. So that's the first thing I check. I check the addressable market. Carry your pen and paper and write. Rewatch this video. This is the reason why you will make money and some people will lose money, because you understand this principle. So that's number 1, addressable market. Number 2, the management. Who is managing this company? I want to know 3 people. The chairman, the MD or CEO, and the CFO. I want to know those 3 people. So in Zenith now, the chairman is Jim Ovia. The CEO is Ebenezer Onyagu. The CFO is Mukhtar Adam. I want to know these 3 people. I will go LinkedIn, check them, Google them, check the other businesses they are doing, just to be sure they are running the business well. Very important, write it down. You must know the chairman of the company you are buying. You must know the MD or CEO. You must know the CFO. Some people go just go buy stock, they don't even know the MD. What if the MD now one guy will go just jar with your money? You don't even know. So you have to know that very, very importantly. Okay. So that's the second thing I check, the management of the company. Now, the third thing I check is the financials. I will not bore you. Don't worry, I will not bore you. The financials are just like the income statement that shows the performance, the balance sheet that shows the position, and the cash flow that shows the pepper where the company gets. That's the cash the company has. I won't bore you with that. That's the third thing I look out for. The fourth thing I look out for is the shareholders. Who are my fellow shareholders? Who are the other people that own shares in this company? I know Jimovia owns about 9% of the bank, if not more. I want to know that the people managing the business, they have a stake in the business. When we say they no fit just run the business anyhow, they must have a skin in the game. So I like the management team to own shares in that company. That's the fourth thing I always check, the shareholders. And the fifth thing I check, guys, I will not bore you with that again. All these are separate videos. If you are interested, let me know in the comment section. They are separate videos. Nick, I want you to show me how to analyze financial statements. Nick, I want you to show me how to do a due diligence on the management of the company. Nick, see, just ask me any question in the comment section. And now we'll take a break and I'll show you the winner for today's video. Remember, we have talked about 4. I'll tell you the 5th one after this commercial break. So this was the last video I did. All right, now let's check the winner for today. And this winner is going home with 2,000 naira. So I copy the video, copy the link, then I paste on this site called YouTube random comment picker. So watch, oh, if now your comment come out here, you don't enter 2K. Anything goes, I don't filter anything. Continue. Pray, oh, pray, oh, pray, oh, pray, oh, pray, oh. So that video has about 62 comments. Now I'll pick the winner. If your name shows up here, you have won 2,000 naira. What you will do is send me a mail to the mail address in the description with your YouTube email address. Once I confirm you and verify you, your 2K don't land your account. Here is the winner. Correct! Blessing Obimdi, you have just won 2,000 naira because YouTube and this algorithm has selected you as the winner because of your comment in my last video. All right, so Blessing, congratulations, 2,000 naira. Send a mail with your YouTube Gmail address to the email in my description and you have your 2,000. Remember, guys, I told you for every video till further notice, somebody will win 2,000 naira. Okay, so that's the winner of the day. Let's get back to the learning opportunity. So with all this that I've said now, the next question is, Nick, how do you buy the shares? How do you buy it? Because I've watched a lot of videos where people will talk. They will not show how to buy it. It's very simple. I use a technology platform called Trove. I log into Trove, very simple, no story, very simple. I log into Trove, of course, after doing all my research and everything, blah, blah, blah. I log into Trove. I go to browse assets, then I come to this box here and I put in the stock I want to buy, in this case Zenith Bank. It will bring out the chart of Zenith Bank with a buy and sell button here. I click buy, okay, then I come down here to put the number of shares. Example, I want to buy like maybe 10,000 units of Zenith Bank. That will cost me 232,000, sorry, if I'm buying that, if I'm buying at the market price. But if I want to fix my own price, to say I don't want market price, I want to fix a price. I don't want to pay anything the market is giving me. I want to decide the price I want. So I don't want to pay more than 22 naira per share. And I want my, 10,000 units of Zenith Bank shares. So obviously it will multiply it by that 22 and that's the cost it will charge me. Then I click continue. It shows me 220 as my total cost. It shows me I selected limit. It shows me the total amount. It shows me the price per share and I click buy asset. Shikena. Once that price is hit in the market, I currently will own 10,000 shares of Zenith Bank. It is not more than that. That is how you buy shares. If you want to sell, same principle. You go into your account, you click sell, and then you follow the same process. You give the price you want or you do market price. If you want a separate video on how to buy and sell on Trove, leave in the comment section. This video is already getting long, but I want to show you guys everything possible in showing you how to trade Nigerian stocks. Now, 2 more points before we close. See, how can you start? How much should I start? Nick, how much should I start with? You can start with anything that you are comfortable with. For example, I tell people, my personal friends, start with 1,000 naira. For instance, okay, you have 1,000 naira. I know that I don't have more than 1,000. I feel just say, okay, I'll just buy maybe 25 units of Zenith Bank, or maybe 30 units of Zenith Bank, or maybe 100 units of Zenith Bank, 2K. All right, at 23. Start with what you have, but have this mindset that when you buy a stock, you are buying a business, not be gambling. Then you can work your way up. I like tens, so I start with 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million. I just like put zero. You understand? Some people now, they are on the 1 million level. Same approach. So start with whatever you have, but by all means, remember you are not a trader. You are an investor. If it's trading you want, wait for my video on crypto. Wait for my video on commodities. Wait for my other videos that are coming up. I told you guys 8 things that I'll be discussing with you guys on this channel. Okay. Now, finally, just as a bonus to those that waited till the end, this is your gift. There are currently 5 stocks I am looking at. Bring out your pen and your paper and take them down. This is not financial advice, it's just me sharing with you what I am doing. There are 5 stocks I'm currently researching and I might be buying when they hit my target price. Number 1, Zenith Bank. Number 2, GTB. Number 3, Dangote Cement. Number 4, Okomu Oil. Number 5, MTN. I'm researching those companies, and when they get to my target price, meaning when they get to a price I like. For example, I showed you guys I bought Zenith at 10 naira before. You understand? It's here, live and direct. I don't buy Zenith 10, 11. I want Zenith Bank to come down from this 22 to a certain price. Then when it hits that price, I will buy it. And what will I benefit from buying it? I will enjoy dividends. I'll be collecting dividend of almost 13.63%, and I'm sure that over time I will make big money on capital appreciation. So those are the 5 stocks I'm looking at. That was a bonus for those that waited till the end. Okay, now